Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Ihsan, and I shall be pleased to guide you through this AS maths question. It seems like a pure maths question, let's start doing it. Now, the key thing we need to note before doing this is the general solutions for summations, and here are the two main ones I want you to recall for this question. First of all, the summation of number one from a series starting at 1 to n is simply n, okay? N number of terms being, okay? Now, the summation of that variable in the series to n would be basically summarized as n into n plus 1 over 2, okay? Now, then that expression, that summation expression, I can summarize as follows, okay? I have the summation from, it says here from r equals 10 to 100 of BR plus the summation of C from R equals 10 to hundreds of C. Now, first of all, I have constants. I can always remove the constants to outside because they're just constants, okay, in a series. So here I'm going to take the B out, and here I'm going to take the C out. I'm going to write it as follows, because then I want to use of those solutions, okay? So here I have B outside into the summation of R from R equals to 10 to 100 plus C outside the summation of 1 from R equals 10 to 100, okay? Now, that's also good, but the problem here is the following, that I have the starting of my series not from 1, but from 10. So what can I do here? Well, it is not that difficult, really. Let's take the first example for that one, okay? So I'm going to summarize it as follows. I'm going to say that B into the summation from R equals 10 to 100 of R, we can rewrite it as follows. B into the summation of R from 1 to 100 minus B into the summation from 1 to 9 of R. Okay, so now let us work this out. Okay, fine. It's using this above solution. We had that one here. Okay, and let's see how we can apply that to solve it. So here, this becomes B into 100, which is the n, times 101, all of that over 2, and the second one is 1 to 9, okay? Yep, okay, so, so that will be B into 9, okay, 9 into 10 over 2. Good. Now, with a bit of arithmetic, really, we can then find the result of summation between 10 to 100 of that expression. So let's do that. So 100 over 2 is simply 50. So 50 times 101 is simply 5,050. So 5,050 minus, now 9 times 10, of course, 10 over 2 is 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 45. And of course, both of them times B. And if we do the maths correctly, you should get 5,005 B, which is the summation for that expression here, okay? So I'm going to write this in blue here, okay? So this summarizes into 5,005 B. Now, how about the second expression from C into of summation of 1 from 10 to 100? Well, I'm going to do the same thing. So let me just erase the side working here to make some space. Okay, so please bear with me. Now, if I do the following, I'll switch color here. Okay, now I'm going to do for that expression here, I'm going to have the same way, summation from R equals 10 to 100. It's simply equal to the summation of 1 from 1 to 100 minus the summation of 1 from 1 to 9. Okay, because remember, I'm summing from 10. Okay, so I don't want all the counting from 1 to 9. I want to start from 10. So yeah, as we did with earlier on, it's simply n, so that will be 100 c, okay, minus this is only 9, so that's minus 9c, and that's simply 91c. Okay, so that expression is 91c. Okay, all well. So now I have the sum of the series is, as it says in the question, is 7735. Let's see if this summarizes and gives me the answer for that, show that problem. So let me summarize now. I have 5005b plus 91c equals 7735. Now, if I look here, I need to have just simply c. Okay, so let me divide everything by 91. Can I do that? Can I divide everything by 91? Okay, now, of course, I know that if I divide 91 by 91, this is a 1. How about 7735 divided by 91? So 7735 divided by 91 is simply 85. Hooray, we are in business. This is the first part of it. Now, let me just check with 5005 divided by 91. It is 55. So this simplifies as 55. Well, there you go now. So this basically simplifies into 55b minus c equals 85. Now, I hope my explanation is clearer and explains how we can reach the answer for that question. I hope it has been useful to you. Thank you very much. By all means, feel free to send me feedback or any corrections that you feel needed for this video. Bye-bye.